Ann Feldman here from TT for T, and today we're going to talk about embedding videos on your blog. I'm going to show you two different ways to embed videos on your blog, one from the TED Talk site and the other from YouTube. First, let's talk about TED Talks. Let's say that you found an amazing video on a TED Talk. So I found one here by Ken Robinson that says, "Schools Kill Creativity." After viewing the video, I'd like to embed this on my blog and write some comments about it. So click on Embed. That will pop up the embed code for this video. Now click where the source is, and if you do a double click, that will highlight, and then you can copy by either a secondary click and copy, or by using Command-C, Control-C on a PC. Once that code is copied, then we'll jump over here to your blog, where you can make a new post. So simply creating that new post button. Notice when my blog opens and I can post, I have two tabs right here, Compose and HTML. Click on the HTML tab. We'll be using the code HTML by pasting in the embed code. So again, secondary click to paste, or a Command-V, or you can also do a Control-V on the PC. Now that video will now appear when I click on Publish. So let's go ahead, I'll publish this video, and then click on View Blog to see the new post. And here comes the video. Now notice the video is coming in and it's hanging over the edge just a little bit. That can easily be adjusted in the embed code. So let's go back and take a look at that embed code again. I'm back to my post. To edit my post, as I hover over the title, you'll see Edit, View, Share, and Delete. Let's go in and let's edit that code. Now taking a look at that code, when I get over here and look at width and height, that's my width and height in pixels. And that's where the video appears. So it's in a width of 560 and a height of 315 pixels. It's the width that's running into the other columns, so I'll just need to adjust the width. I'm just going to guess, and I'm going to say instead of 560, I'll change it to 460, and let's just see how that works. Clicking the Update button automatically saves those changes and then updates that post. Now, by clicking on View Blog, we can take a look again and see if it fits. And that looks great. If it didn't, we would just adjust the code again. Now, to add some comments above or below the video, you simply go back again into the back side here and edit that post and type text either above or below the video. So let's say you'd like to put your opinions above the video. Simply click and press the Enter key several times to give yourself some space, and then you can type, this is the TED video I watched, and then you can explain what you learned. We'll click on Update and then View Blog again, and now you'll see the text that I typed and now the video appearing below that. So very easy to make those changes, and again the key here was being on that tab that allowed us to work with the code. So by being on the HTML tab, you can type in the code and work with it from there. Now let's talk about embedding a YouTube video. Very, very similar. Let's say I was out here on YouTube and found this great video on the Curiosity rover, and I would love to embed that. So again, I'm going to need the embed code. At YouTube, there is a button called Share. So notice Embed, I need to click Embed, and then up pops the code. So again, I'm going to choose to copy, so secondary click copy or Command-C copy. We're going to go make a new post. And again, make sure you're on the HTML tab, and then we're going to paste in our video. So I'm going to say this is my YouTube example, and then I will just paste that in here. Now notice I have a width of 560 and a height of 315. Now I already know that 560 will be too wide, so I'm just going to go ahead and change this right off the bat to 460, so hopefully it will just fit. And we'll click on Publish. And now, viewing that blog, you'll now see the YouTube example appear. And it fits just perfectly on the screen. So again, the method for that was again going out here to YouTube, clicking on the word share, and then clicking to copy and paste the embed code. So click on it to highlight, then Command-C or right-click, copy, and then over to the blog, onto a new post, make sure you're on the HTML tab, and paste. Adjust the width if necessary, which we know it is, and then click on Publish. Voila! We have the video embedded on the blog, and it fits perfectly on the page. So there you have it. Now you can embed TED Talks and YouTube videos on your blog. Happy blogging!